Okay, so here we are into the truck, and here you see your old starter. Now today, well, right now, I'm gonna pull this starter off because it, well, doesn't do much of its job anymore. That it's cranking really slow when the engine's warm, and I think that's because it's like starting to make compression. So we got 2 bolts. There's one here. Also, get ready because these things weigh 1,000 pounds. Ow! The bolt literally fell on my face. Oh, you son of a! This thing literally weighs 1,000 pounds. All right, so here we have the wires. My arm hurts so much right now. You literally need to just pretend that pain doesn't exist for a few minutes. I am nowhere a professional, so don't take my professional advice. I'm just showing you guys how to take this thing off. Oh. Am I tightening it right now? Yep, like I said, don't take my advice. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Is that it? Nope. Oh, no, that's it. Oh, God. You know, just suffer for the next 2 minutes. This thing looks to be like the original starter. Oh, now we just get it out. Get it out from under here without dying of diseases. Oh, do not drop this on your feet, guys, because your feet, you're literally gonna have to decapitate them. They're similar. I swear to God, this thing weighs 1,000 pounds. This looks just to be about the same thing. So now you just throw it. No, you don't throw it. Do not throw your starter. You just want to gently shove it under there to, you know, you're showing it to its new home. Ow. You're showing the starter its new home under a rusty piece of... No! When the nut does not want to grab. I'm gonna lose my mind. You're kidding me right now, right? Oh my god, I was... Oh, it's a little spark. Tighten that back down. Should be ready to fire up. See if she starts. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, drop a like and subscribe so you can see more of the 3500, the old 91. We're still going to keep towing cars with this for many years to come. Peace.